All right, guys, we're out at the lake again. Another new lake. There's my brother out there on my other kayak, and we're here looking for crappies. So hopefully we can find them. We're definitely gonna try. So let's get into this and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find them crappies. I'm gonna attempt here to trolling motor going. It's about 62 degrees this morning. For this type of fishing, we're using Abu Garcia Max Pro fast, medium, light action, 6 to 10 pound line. I have 10 pound on here right now. 1/8 inch to 1/2 ounce lure. 6'10" is the length on this rod, and we have the Abu Garcia Max Pro spin caster. Just a light action rod, pretty much. Medium light. You can catch bass on this, but it's more for panfish and medium-sized fish. Fish around and find out. Let's fish around and find out. There we go. I think it's a bullhead. Yeah. I knew, yeah. I knew there was a lot of them on this lake. I'm not, hey, got the skunk out of the way. Yeah, I know how I handle these. I think I had it a little too deep. Ooh, you slimy. That's how I handle these. Grab the hook and shake it off.
I get like all the way to that side before it blows me this way.
Yeah. Then you can just drift and troll like that.
Huh?
You can drift and troll like that.
I know, but
If you wanted to, like if you got over there and let the, you know, wind push you. How are you, sir?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Beautiful day, huh?
Yeah. Mind if I ask what you're looking for?
Fishing crappies.
Yeah? I'm fishing anything that bites.
You're a smart man.
Thanks, buddy. Try this other chartreuse on here.
I've seen an otter back in here. He comes up to the boat.
Try that out. I'm gonna rig up a troller and just see if we can catch anything on a trolling rig. Well, let's try this. I'll weight on it like this weight that I have on here. Troll with it. I switched up my rig to a float jig with I think an 8-ounce weight on it, a dead weight, or a trolling weight. Hopefully we catch a walleye or something. That'd be pretty cool. That jig should float about 6 to 8 inches above the water, or above the bottom. If we hit weeds, we know that's a good sign, because then we can stop and fish over the weeds and try to find the crappies. But right here where I'm at, it's 20 feet deep. Approximately 20 feet deep. Oh. I think that might be a bullhead. It kind of feels like it. It might be a walleye. It got off. Shit. I think it got off. Oh wait. Oh, it's a crappie. I found a fucking crappie. Oh my god. You guys, I found the crappie. Oh my god. I found the crappie. Oh yes. I found him. I found him. I found him. Look at him. He's just a little guy. But nonetheless, he's a crappie. I don't know if they have to be a certain length. It's not that big a one, but he's a crappie. I found him. Woo! There we go. Found the crappie. Found the crappie. All right. Here we go. We're gonna keep trolling. I'm gonna troll on back the other way. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Yes. That's awesome. Yes. I found the crappie. We're just gonna troll over this spot and see if we can. Oh, there's another one. Another biter. This one's a bigger one. Oh my God. The bigger one. Whatever it is, it's bigger. Hopefully it's not a bullhead. Oh yes, that's not a bullhead. Another crappie. Oh my God, dude. Oh, I found the hole. I found the hole. This one's not bad either. Should I keep these? Are these big enough to keep? He's not that big. That's an eater size? I don't know. I just can't tell. Let's see. I mean, I think so. Oh, I'm not going through there. Go through the bottom here. I think 10 is the limit, so we're gonna limit out if we keep this up. 10 is the limit, folks. Yeah, I found him, dude.
Huh?
I found him.
Yeah, you're good.
I found him.
Yeah, no.
I switched it up. Got a floater jig with a bigger jig body and a weight for trolling. About 6 inches off the bottom. You could probably catch them with, I don't know if these are keepers though. Is that big enough to keep? I've got one that's about that size that I kept, but it's kind of small.
Oh, small.
What about this? Yeah, I'm gonna throw this one back. What about this one?
Is your trolling motor still going?
No. What about this one?
Yeah.
Keeper, you think?
Yeah, you just scale them and gut them.
Dude, that's what I'm gonna do for sure. Look,
Look at this fucker.
if you want one of these to like float with, oh my God,
Nice thing,
show that to me. That is a beast.
Huh.
It's pretty big, dude.
Yeah.
For a sunfish, that is a lunk.
Not
It's a
bad.
chunky sunfish, dude.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's a nice little guy.
But yeah, I've got another one of these if you want to try it. But this is nailing them right in here. I go back and forth. And then like this. Behind us. We found the technique we want to use. Now we just need to catch them. I think that guy found a big school of them. There's a bite. Maybe not. Good?
Huh?
For some reason, I thought you went to the landing. There we go. Ooh, this one's a better one. Feels like a fighter.
How about a fire?
Feels like a fighter.
Oh, fire. Why you fire? Fire.
They're just small, dude. This one's too small. I mean, he's a nice little guy, but he's way too small to keep. Look at him. Just a little crappie. You go, buddy, back down to your home. Ooh, the wind's kind of blowing in. Some cloud cover. That's a good thing. We might have to switch to a bass rig. Switch it up a little bit. Fish around and find out, guys. There we go. That's a good one. Oh no, that was a big hit too. Oh my god, I can't believe that. You gonna come back for it? Oh, that sucks. Oh, that was a big hit. And I missed it. Okay, I guess I'm not heading over just yet.
Right.
I got one too. Oh yeah.
Homemade stringer here.
Yeah. God, I wish I had another one.
Oh, come on.
They're only like $2 at L&M. This one seems a little bigger, maybe? Oh yeah, he's a fighter. This guy's making his way over here. Oh, this one's a keeper too, for sure. For sure. For sure. Uh-oh, that's not good. Can't have that. Okay, this one. This has got to go this way.
Well, the sunny is, I think he's gonna die.
Well, we'll put him on here.
Well, I mean,
That thing floats pretty good, don't it?
show.
I'm gonna slide up right next to you.
Go.
10 crappies is the limit. So small they don't.
Grab this guy.
This is the way to do it. See, look, pop.
Yeah.
Right through underneath, and then they at least stay alive longer and they're fresher.
Oh, it's twitching, but.
Let me see them. So he might revive a little bit.
Yeah, he's still moving. I feel bad.
Yeah, I
I
know.
feel bad.
You know, some of these lakes you'll have like spots where the fish will always be because there's like wood buried in the like branches or trees or brush piles or cribs or stuff like that. But then sometimes you'll have vegetation, and some years it'll be green over that way and you'll have crappies over that way, and then some years it'll be green on the other side of the lake. You know, it just depends on the foliage too on the bottom and where they're going to be. Hit it again. We need quite a bit of line out, at least 40 feet at least. I'm going to try trolling past this point out here. There's just a little point straight ahead to the right there. I'm going to try trolling just straight in, straight this way, right past it, and see what I can rustle up here. You know, a lot of guys will just keep big fish, and you know, if there's no slot limit like on crappies, I think there might be a maximum you can keep, maybe not, but you know, some fish there is a maximum you can keep, and some guys will just keep the big ones, all the big ones they can get. And you really want to try to be stewards of the lake and put a majority of those big ones, especially if they're females, back, and just, you know, don't keep everything you catch, because you want to preserve the future of those fish. You don't want to fish them out till they're all gone. And a lot of people will do that. They don't care about the actual. There's another bite. Oh, he wants it. He wants it. Let's slow it down just a hair. There we go. This is a bigger one. This is a bigger something. And it feels crappie-ish. It's a bigger one. It's a crappie. It's a way decent crappie. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a keeper for sure. Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's a nice one. That is a really nice one there. Look at that one. Look at him. Beautiful fish. You're going right on the stringer, buddy. And into the frying pan. Go right through the bottom lip so it doesn't hurt them too much. So they don't die if I throw them back or whatever. So. Oh yeah, that's a nicer one there. For sure. I wonder if he was chasing it the whole time. That was the one I originally caught or not. Those beautiful crappies. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 crappie and 1 sunfish. Alright, let's go make our way over to the bro. We're gonna make our way over to the bro. Yes, I'll take that. It's only like $2 at L&M. $5 now. If it was a protected lake, that would be a limit. That's the end of this video, everybody. Thank you to all my subscribers and everybody who watches my channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to ring that bell and have yourself a great fishing experience on the lake. Fish around and find out. Till next time.